Hi. Many times data is not readily available in Excel. It resides in some other source file. For example, you can see here a text file. In fact, it could be called a comma separated value file because as you can see, after each word there is a comma. Roll number, comma, name, comma, physics, comma, chemistry, comma, maths. And then there is a change of line. What happens is when the data from a text file or a CSV file is being imported into an Excel file, Excel needs to know where does the column change. The column change happens with this separator. So here it is the comma that is being used as a separator. It is possible to use comma or tab or even space. Popularly used is comma, and the files when they are saved as .csv, that is comma separated value files, we would get to see a file like this. So these comma separators decides the change of column. So roll number RNO would go in the first column and name would go in the second column and so on. Likewise for all the values. And what about rows? The row change is decided by the change of line. For example, after maths, we are changing the line. So this becomes the second row. After 50, we are changing the line. So this becomes the third row and so on. Right? Just like this CSV or text files, data could reside in another Excel file. But that's straightforward because it would be already tabulated in rows and columns. Sometimes data could come from internet, that is from the web. So there could be different resources. In fact, in most organizations, data would reside in databases. It could be MS Access database for a very small organization or SQL Server, and there are so many other databases, right? Let us take a look at how we are going to import data from these different resources and get it into an Excel file. All right, let us begin. So here is the Excel file, and under the data tab you can see here get and transform data. The first one in it is called get data, and that's what we are going to look at. Click on get data and choose from file. So first one would be from Excel workbook. Just click on that and you would get a dialog box where you have to choose from which Excel file we need to import the data. So I'm just going to choose the folder where I have put some sample files. So here is my sample Excel file. It's called sample Excel. I'll choose that and just click import. It's as simple as that. It is going to finish the job in just 2 clicks. After we have clicked, what we can see here is a folder like thing being shown. That is the file actually, and under that you can see sheet 1 and sales. Sales is the name given to another sheet because Excel file may have several sheets and you will need to choose from which sheet do you want to import the data. We are going to choose sales. As soon as we click sales, the preview is shown over here as to how your data would look. And all you need to do now is come over here and click on load. That's all. And you will find here beautifully a table has been formed in your Excel sheet with all the columns over here, and the full data has already been imported. Let us take a look at other sources. Click on data, go on get data. from file. Now let us choose from text stroke CSV file. I'm going to choose the sample text file which we saw just now, and that's all. It's already showing a preview with all the data already being nicely shown over there. All you need to do is just click load, and here is your data coming from a notepad file or a text file into your Excel sheet. Let us look at something else. Once again, data and get data from file. We have finished text file. Let us look at CSV file now. This is a CSV file. It looks like almost like Excel, but can you notice A over here? This symbol represents that it is a comma separated value file. Okay, it looks almost like Excel, and here is the data. So we just click load over here, and there the job is done. And here we have ID, name, department, salary, and everything, right? Let us now take a look at how we are going to import data from a database. So click over here, and instead of from file, now choose from database. We are not going to choose SQL here, we are going to choose access database. So one access database file is being shown over here, myfriends.accdb. Just choose that and click import. Just like Excel file may have several sheets, a database will always have several tables. It may have several queries and some other things. So you need to choose exactly from which table or a query that you need to import the data. So I am choosing contacts over here, and as soon as I click on contacts, it is showing me the preview. All I need to do is just click load. That's it. You can see the data has been very efficiently and quickly picked up from Microsoft Access database and got imported into your Excel sheet. So all the data from different resources has been picked up one by one just by using few clicks. Isn't this easy? That's all for this video. Yes, if you find this useful, click the like. If you wish to catch several such videos, hit subscribe. For notifications, ring the bell and share this so that others too can watch. Bye.